In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Calendar reminders quickly and safely, whether you just want to remove one reminder or delete every reminder in a recurring series. This is a simple but really useful Google Calendar tip if your calendar is getting cluttered, if a reminder is no longer relevant, or if you accidentally created something you don't need anymore. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find a reminder, delete it, and handle recurring reminders the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look through your schedule and find the reminder you want to delete. You can scroll through the calendar view or use the search and agenda views if that makes it easier to locate. When you spot the reminder, click on it once to open the details. This is where Google Calendar shows you the full reminder information and the available actions. Now look for the delete option, usually shown with a trash can icon. Click delete to remove the reminder from your calendar. If it is a one-time reminder, it should disappear right away after you confirm the action. If the reminder is part of a recurring series, Google Calendar will ask you to choose whether you want to delete only this reminder or all reminders in the series. This part is important because selecting the wrong option could remove more than you intended. If you only want to remove one occurrence, choose just this reminder. If you want to delete every future instance of that recurring reminder, select all reminders in the series. After you make your choice, confirm the deletion and Google Calendar will update automatically. And that's it. Your reminder has been deleted from Google Calendar. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and now you also know how to handle recurring reminders without accidentally deleting the wrong ones. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more quick tech guides, calendar tips, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.